Hello everyone. Today we'll introduce one customized order monofilament topic. This made according customer need basic size. The size front to the back is about 17 centimeters, and the left to the right is about 12 centimeters. And the important thing that I will let you know is the front hairline and the knotting. Can see? Most customers request this front hairline and the knotting here is for invisible hairline. The hair is used natural human hair, Indian Rami hair, and this can use clips all around and tips and glue. All that's okay. Customized time is about half month for this small size, and if rush order, 1 week can be okay. If you want to know the lifetime of this hairpiece, never experience 1 or 2 pieces for 1 year. If you like it, welcome inquiry.